Hey everybody, it's Tuesday, March 31. I'm kind of cheating, it's actually not, but I'm getting ahead on my videos. So, for today on Tuesday, today's a learning support day. So there is a discussion post. The discussion post is mandatory. You need to post to that discussion. Drop us a line, let us know how things are going. If you have a question, concern, anything at all, okay? This is also the day that we'll have our Google Meet session at 2 p.m. There'll be the link in the assignment. So you'll come in at 2 o'clock, click on the link, and it should join automatically. I know the county did a Google Meet app or something of that nature that you guys can go in yourself, serve, and put on your iPad, okay? I don't think you have to, but that might make things a little bit easier and seamless when you try to jump on, okay? So for today, Tuesday, please post something on the discussion post. If you don't have questions or concerns, drop a hello. Things are going great. I don't need anything at this time. Let us know what's going on. We're hearing from some students that are saying on a previous post, like, doing all my work, everything's great, and we haven't seen any work submitted. All right. Tried to reach out to those students. I've had a couple parents respond to me. The only thing I can do is the same thing I would do if we were in school. I would be asking you every day, where's that assignment? Where's that assignment? You know how I make everybody stand up? Imagine everybody in their living room right now stand up. When I say your name, you sit down. Same idea, okay? And I would be calling out a bunch of names that would still be standing and owe me work. Not very happy, okay? So you need to get organized. We're in this through April 24th, I believe it is at this point, and who knows beyond that. So this has become our new norm. Not anything any of us asked for or wanted, and certainly there are people in worse situations than we're in, okay? There are people that actually have this virus and are fighting it. There are people working in hospitals, like my daughter, who comes home every day to an infant that we pray does not get this disease, okay? So, or virus, sorry, I shouldn't have called it a disease. So please, 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 if this is our new normal for right now, get in a routine. You have school every day. You wake up, go to class, get on your iPad. What class are you going to work on first? Guess what? You have that flexibility now. You're not scheduled to say you have to go to first period or second, third. Do it in an order that you're comfortable with, that you feel confident with. But get the work done for every teacher, okay? So try to come up with something that is a routine for you in this daily life that we're now living, okay? Otherwise, hope to see most of you at 2 o'clock today on the Google Meet. Come back, get on that link, and let me see your faces. Miss you all so much. Bye.